So we're here in Brazil, we're in Sao Paulo. We landed yesterday morning. We had like a really chilled day yesterday. Everyone was like super tired from the flight. It was an overnight flight, so no one really slept at all. Just like 10, 20 minutes here and there, and then plane hits turbulence and you wake up. Yeah, we landed at like 7 a.m. and then came over, like a long drive from the airport. Took a while to get the bags and go through immigration as well. So yeah, by the time we got over to the hotel, we just had some breakfast really quick, checked in, chilled out for a little bit. And then the only thing we really did yesterday was the local promoter took us to watch the Brazil game in the World Cup. They were doing that opening game against Serbia, and we went to like this venue that was showing it on all these big screens, full of like Brazilian fans. And it was like a crazy atmosphere. It was really loud. And as soon as like Brazil scored, the room went crazy. Yeah, it was real good experience because Brazilians love their football and you could really see it. The atmosphere of the room was great. So cool thing to be a part of. And then, yeah, we just came back to the hotel after that and quickly grabbed some food, and everyone went to bed like super early. It was just wiped out from the travel day before, so I think I went to bed at like 9 p.m. And then, yeah, got up this morning, had some breakfast at this hotel. It's a lovely hotel. So yeah, I think today we're just going to go for a little wander around, see what Sao Paulo has to offer. I've heard some rumours that there's like a skyscraper we can go up to look over Sao Paulo, so maybe we'll do that if we get a chance. And then we have like a signing session later on for the band. We've also going to watch the England match in the World Cup as well, so we're going to watch that. Then do the signing, and then the promoter has told us about some like restaurant that does like Brazilian style, like steak and chicken and stuff. So I think I'm going to go there, check that out, try some of the local cuisine, and yeah, see what happens.
Hi guys, this is episode 7 of Rattling Bones Club. I just want you guys to see what it's like setting up in Brazil.
Just checking you didn't do it. I mean, I don't care. I've got
Chile, mira lo que tenemos andando aquí.
Tripulación asegurar que hay una parada para siguientes.
Rattling Bones Club episode 12. I'm on my 7th subscriber. So just hit 60 views. Gadget.
Yeah.
I may wish we could have